Hey, what's up, everybody? It's the Kettering Gamer Guy. Just gonna do a short video tonight on cleaning some Nintendo cartridges. I know it's a hot topic with a lot of people. The blinking red light on the Nintendo. It's caused by dirt and debris on the pins. And I picked up this Jackal the other day, and I don't play dirty games in my system. Every game I pick up, I clean before I put into my Nintendo. I'm very, I'm very anal about what I put in, dirty games in my systems. Um, I've helped quite a few people out over the last few years in my town. A lot of old school friends and things like that. Revitalize their game systems in their games. So I figured I'd just bring you a short video on how to clean your cartridges. So I want to get my tools out, open this bad boy up, and get it cleaned up. Okay, so get a rundown first. You're going to need your game cartridge. So we'll set that bad boy right there. And then you have your 3.8 millimeter cartridge tool. I got mine off of eBay, and it has the little hex end there that fits into the screw holes. Some cartridges have 5. This one has 3. So we need those. So we'll start with that. We'll open up the back of the cartridge first. Like I said, I'm very picky when it comes to my games. I know everyone's like, oh, it's the patina, it's the feel, it's just like yeah, no, your spit is basically the only thing making the connection. And every time you blow in your Nintendo into your cartridges, you're just making the insides of your cartridge and or your system dirty. So, cartridge is open. Take our screws, put them in the loose half. Alright. And then you have, voila, this little buddy right here is what controls your game cartridge. This is your game right here. Let me see if I can get into this here or not. You can see the color difference. Like right here, see how it's nice and golden looking? But as you get down here, it's dark. Well, that dark area is what makes the contacts with your 72-pin connector and your Nintendo. And when both of them get dirty, blinking red light. So, there we go. You can see the discoloration. That's what makes your Nintendo blink. And that's what we're going to fix right now. Okay. So the rest of my kit, naturally, got your Q-tips. 91% isopropyl rubbing alcohol. And don't ask, you'll see in a second, a pink eraser. 1500 grit wet dry sandpaper. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tear me a little piece of that off. Okay. I'm going to open up my alcohol. I'm going to rub these pins just right across here. Just like so. Make sure they're good and damp. And I'm going to take my and you're going to see that discoloration. That's the funk coming off of your games. So I'm going to take a little bit more, and then I'm going to buff these pins off with this. And then I'm going to take my little pink eraser. I'm going to buff it off with that. Mess up my table here. I'm going to rub with that. You're going to want to do both sides. If you're going to go all in, you might as well go all in. Alright, so we got that buffed out. And I'll take a clean one while it's still good and damp. And I will wipe it off. This one's not nowhere near as bad as some of the other ones that I've had. I mean, you can see the dirt and stuff on it, and a lot of that comes from y'all blowing in them too. So what I'll show you is, we'll put that bad boy down right there. You see the shine on that now? All that discoloration's gone. And now we'll flip it over to the back. Let her focus in there. And there's that discoloration right there. Gold and poop. So we're going to do the same with the back. Now, generally, I'll take the other half of the first Q-tip, the less dirtier half. I'll take it. Same as before. I'm just gonna rub up there, make sure it's good and wet. Take my sandpaper. Give it a good buff. Ooh, that side is dirty. I'm going to take my Q-tip. It still has alcohol on it. Rub down. Buff it out with the old pencil eraser. Alright. Oof. Yeah, see, that side was way rougher. So anyway, we will grab another clean Q-tip. Give it a good rub on that side. Get that loose garbage off. And give it a good rub down there. Okay. And that's the second half. Clean as a whistle. All right. So we'll take the front half. You want to put your chips facing down. Just look at your label here. You'll know you're in the right place. Alright. And then you snap your little pin in right there. Your little pin in right there. And then we'll unscrew. 2 and 3. We'll take our 3.8 millimeter and screw it back down in. Don't kill it. Just snug it up because you don't want to crack the case. These things are not getting any younger. So we will go. I already wiped down the outside of the case. So I just even hit these little areas right here. I did forget that. The less dirt you keep out of your system, the better off you are. All right. So we're gonna pop her in, give her a shot. All right, and we got it in there. Let's see how she goes. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a clean Nintendo game. Fully operational, no blinking red light. If you clean them when you buy them, well, then you're not really going to have to worry about the blinking red light. Like I said, I stripped my Nintendo and completely cleaned the inside of that. And I clean the inside of all my games before I put them in my Nintendo. So next time I'll just do a video on Nintendo cleaning as well. We'll just do a complete total strip down and a cleanup. My Nintendo's not really a good candidate, but we'll open her back up so that way you guys can see how to do that. If you have any questions or comments, leave a message in the links, and like and subscribe to my channel for more gaming and more gaming tips and tricks to keep those systems up and running. Kettering Gamer Guy, signing out.